Good morning, class. These are your two new sight words for the week, and I am very excited for them. Both of them happen to start with an H this week, and so the H says, and both are words that I use a lot, especially when I'm with my family, because we are all about what we do with our families. So the first thing that I do a lot with my family is I help. And this word is just how it sounds. Help. And I want you to think of how you help your family. H-E-L-P. Help, help, help. The next thing is I like to have a good time with my family. Now, normally when there's an E on the end, it makes the middle letter say its name. And that is not the case for the word have. Have is a rule breaker again, which is one reason why it's a sight word. And so H-A-V-E spells have. And this is a word that you're going to use a lot in your writing, and it's also going to be a word that you see a lot when you're reading. So this is a really important word that you are able to read just by looking at it. Okay, so we're going to do a really quick review. H-E-L-P, help, help, help. H-A-V-E, have. And then for this week, we're just going to read the rest of our sight words. We are not going to read them and spell them. Good. Woo! My words got mixed up. He said, all, no, she, how, this, like, will, with, see, are, and, come, a, now, we, what, you, two, is, I, for, me, my, the, do, down, find, be, make, go, can, play. So be sure that you're practicing those words so that you are automatic when you read them and you are automatic when you write them. Have a good day. Remember to watch for the words have and help. Help and have.